I'm Justine Murphy with Laser Focus World. Let's take a look at some of the amazing things happening in photonics. Existing fiber optic cables underground and under the sea in much of Europe are right now used only for communications. But a new initiative could see them double up as environmental monitoring sensor networks too. An interdisciplinary team in Europe, working under the EU-funded ICON, or Intent and Context-Aware Optical Networks project, led by the Connect Research Centre based at Trinity College Dublin, is developing sensors that can detect and ultimately analyze tiny changes in light as it travels through underground and seacoast fiber optic cables. They also detect unusual vibrations or disturbances, which could potentially become an early warning system for natural events like earthquakes. The work centers around joint communication and sensing, essentially establishing a dual use on the same fiber optic cables without affecting the quality of the connection. Among the tools being used is a digital twin. It's a live virtual model of the network, which displays the fiber cable's behavior and allows the team to test different sensing tasks. The team says using existing cable systems would offer a broader and more comprehensive source of information and less expensively than is possible with conventional standalone sensors. A new strategic partnership in the works aims to advance high-powered deep UV lasers and, in turn, advance quantum computing and semiconductor manufacturing. Japanese optics technology manufacturer Oxide Corporation is joining forces with Vexlum, a laser developer based in Finland, bringing together Vexlum's vertical external cavity surface-emitting laser technology and Oxide's UV crystals. Representatives of both companies say the pairing should create the industry's widest spectrum of wavelengths for quantum research and semiconductor manufacturing. More specifically, this partnership will focus on development and manufacturing of high-power laser systems, as well as scalability in the semiconductor and quantum computing sectors. VIGO Photonics is advancing as well by way of its recent acquisition of Infrared Associates. VIGO, a Poland-based manufacturer of advanced semiconductor materials and infrared detectors, acquired Florida-based infrared detector manufacturer Infrared in an $8.4 million deal that representatives say will expand VIGO's U.S. presence, while also building up its product offerings and capabilities for the defense, industrial, medical, and scientific markets. Researchers in Colorado have created what they call a Swiss Army knife for photonic integrated circuits, and it's showing enormous potential for new on-chip sensor technologies. A team at the University of Colorado Boulder, which has been exploring nonlinear optics with new materials like chalcogenides, has developed optical waveguide microresonators, essentially tiny optical sensors, that can trap light on chip and build its intensity. The microresonators are based on Euler curves, where the curvature changes linearly, which keeps light inside the microresonator for about 3 nanoseconds. This increases the path length of the device and prompts nonlinear optical interactions. And it allows control of the light and bend loss that's typical of microresonators. The work has also involved a new electron beam lithographic patterning process, as conventional photon-based lithography is limited by the wavelength of light. The team says their microresonators have an ultra-high Q factor, and given their nonlinearity, they could work well in a variety of applications, including frequency comb generation for metrology and telecommunications, and quantum information processing. And that's your Photonics Hot List. Be sure to like and share, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and visit laserfocusworld.com for the latest and coolest news and information. Check out our Following the Photons podcast, too, for some cool interviews and news impacting the industry. Until next time.